Hello everyone. Welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to know about the employee section which is available inside the Workstatus web app. For that, you have to come up to the side menu, click on the people and select the employee. Once you are selected with the employee, you are landed to a screen like this on the member tab. Here, the information is given to you about all of the members which are available in your organization. That is the total number of users, the number of people who are online, which devices they are logged in with, the offline people, the deleted people, and the number of the deactivated members. In this, you will be able to see that this is the name of the employee, which time he has logged in, what is working or not, and which mode he is logged in with. He is located in the office on the remote area, his role, and there are short links available here to view the screenshot or the timesheet, apps, URL, and the attendance of that specific user on that specific date. Here the three dots option is given here to edit the member, copy the stealth mode token, or the download file the respect to this specific user, disable its tracking, or the remove the member. On clicking on this arrow, it will be landing you to the specific dashboard of this specific user, and it will give you the detailed information. Further on the screen, if you wish to see the updated data, please click on this refresh button. You can filter the data by using the following filters, and you can even see the grid view, table view, or the graph view, the representation of all the employees in the following view available. You can search the name of the user from here. How to invite the member? You can click on invite new employees. If you want to invite the user via a link, click on this. This link you copy and share it with all of the users. Once the user get this link, they will click on this link. A registration form will get open, and he will fill all the details respect to that, and he will be becoming a member of that. Similar goes with the invite via mail. You will put the email ID of the user, you will put the selected role, the project, and the device type. You will select which mode you want, the stealth mode or the visible mode, and click on invite. Once the user is invited via both of the mode, the user is landed to the invited screen. In this screen, the list of the email IDs are being shared which are being invited but yet not accepted the invitation. In this screen, you will be able to see the email names, the role which has been invited, the project, and the number of project, the status, and on the three dot you can even cancel the invite and you can resend the invite as well. You can search the employee email ID via this field. Further, moving to the requested tab. In the requested tab, you will be able to see the request that has come up from other organization or from other members to you to accept them as a member. It will be listed here and you can accept or deny that. Then moving to the onboarding status, here you are getting the list of the member name, what time the account was created, have they downloaded the app, or the track time, have they already started tracking the time. It will give you the information on that as well. And if you wish to send a reminder to them, this is enabled and you can send the reminder to that specific user to let them accept the invite and move on further with the process of the onboard. Moving forward to the my invitation. In my invitation, you see our data where you are invited from other organization as a user or any other role. So that data will be visible here. For that, then the three button, you can even accept or you can even cancel the invite, thus making the other organization know that the user you have accepted or denied their request. So this is all about the employee section of the Workstatus web app. Thank you.